Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to use the Animation Recorder plugin to capture a character's movements in VR, animated using the Meta Movement SDK. First, we need to import the Animation Recorder plugin into our Unity project via the Package Manager. For the VR application, ensure you have the following packages installed: Meta XR Core SDK and Meta XR Interaction SDK. Next, import the Movement SDK. Copy the repository URL and use the Add Package from Get URL option in the Package Manager. Then, import the Meta Movement SDK sample package, which is included in the Animation Recorder plugin. This package contains a sample scene that we'll use for this demonstration. Once imported, open the Meta Movement SDK sample scene. Add the scene to the build and switch the platform to Android in build settings. Open Project Settings and install XR Plugin Management. Set the Oculus provider for the Android platform. In the player settings, configure the following. Set color space to linear. Switch scripting backend to IL2 CPP. Enable ARM64 architecture. Set the minimum API level to Android 10. Locate the camera rig object in the scene and configure its VR parameters. Set hand tracking support to controllers and hands. Set body tracking support to required. Choose the appropriate body tracking joint set. Ensure body tracking permissions are enabled. The sample scene includes two characters. The first character is animated by the Movement SDK. The second character mirrors the movements of the first for better visualization. The Animation Recorder component is pre-configured to capture the movements of the first character and has some specific options for this sample. Recording starts automatically when the app launches. Save to JSON is enabled, and leaving the output file name empty stores the file in the default location. The hips transform is excluded from recording to capture only upper body movements. Build the app and deploy it to a VR device. When the app launches, recording starts automatically. Perform some simple movements to test the recording. After exiting the app, the JSON file containing the animation will be saved in the app's persistent storage. To retrieve the file, we need to connect the VR device to your PC, navigate to internal shared storage /android/data/application domain /files/animation recorder and copy the JSON file to your PC. Back in the sample scene, disable the Animation Recorder and enable the Animation Player. Specify the path to the JSON file you just retrieved. Press play in the Unity editor to verify that the captured movements match what you saw in VR. To edit and export the animation, open Window Animation Recorder. Select the animator of your model and load the JSON file. Press play to preview the animation. You can now create an animation clip from the movements or export it as an FBX. For the exported FBX, set the animation type to humanoid. Copy the avatar definition from your existing model. Preview the animation on your model to ensure it works correctly. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.